So, long story short, if you need lights for YouTube, Instagram videos, or if you create maybe beauty videos, then stay with me. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. And to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and today we will talk about lights for video. Now if you give me a second. Like this. Now we can start. When I started with my YouTube channel, I had to buy some lights and I bought what everyone knows. Softbox lights. That's right, those big softboxes that just takes too much of space. I didn't say that those are bad, far away from that, but for space like my room, they are just too big. And after almost a year, I felt that this must change. As I didn't know anything about LED lights, I was a bit skeptical. That's why I made a little research for low budget kit. And a friend of mine recommended me the one that you see right here. Now without lights, my videos would look like this. And with correct positioning of my new LED kit, it looks like this. So in this kit like this, you get 2 LED lights, 2 NP-F 550 batteries, 1 charger, few cables for charger, 2 stands for lights, and at the end 2 mounts that goes between light and stand. Or you can use that same mount to set up the light on your camera, like you can see on the picture. About the light, there is not much to say. There are only 3 buttons, and those are for powering on and off the light, plus changing the brightness. Just imagine how strong this small light can be. You cannot control temperature of these lights, however, you get 2 diffusers. The clean one is for daylight and the orange represents tungsten color. Now complete kit of these lights will cost you only 80 bucks. To check them on Amazon, please follow the link in the description below. And let me know if you have any other experience with LED lights. Maybe you have some other recommendation with similar price range. Don't forget to comment. Well, that's it for today guys. Thank you for staying with me in this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. Don't forget to share with your friends, and so on and so on. And until the next time, stay in love. Peace!